The Museum of London is full of Roman artifacts, room after room of wonderful pieces that date back 2,000 years. And if this isn't enough, the museum has 50,000 more Roman items in storage. But this isn't a story about what the museum has. This is a story about what the museum is still looking for.
I really care about the Romans in London because the Romans created the town.
For the past 30 years, Jenny Hall has been piecing together the Roman history of London.
What we can see here is London's city wall, and what we have is outside the city here, the ground level is a lot lower than the ground level inside the city. And that's because basically we're living on 2,000 years of rubbish in the city of London.
When it comes to London's Roman past, a lot of the good stuff is still buried beneath the city. Underneath any of these buildings could be a major Roman treasure.
It's difficult to say how much is still in the ground, but there's still quite a lot there.
At any given time, there are around 10 Roman excavations going on in the city. Before a new building goes up in London, archaeologists must first study the site for Roman remains. When most of us see a city building, we wonder what's inside it. When Jenny Hall sees a building, she wants to know what's under it.
We're standing in what was the arena of the amphitheatre.
And she does have a point. If you go into the basement of the Guildhall Art Gallery, you'll see what's left of the Roman amphitheatre.
So it's a long way down and just shows how that ground level has accumulated over the centuries.
This building at 101 Lower Tam Street looks average enough on the outside, but if you go inside and walk down a flight of stairs, you'll see something truly amazing. You're looking at the best Roman remains in London. Few people even know they're here.
We have here a Roman house with a bathhouse attached, and that's quite exciting in itself because the bathhouse is complete.
Jenny Hall admits the old Roman structures are important, but what she really wants to find underground are pieces of rubbish left by the Romans. For example, this wooden tablet with scratches in Latin tell a story.
This is the first deed of sale for a slave to be found from Roman Britain. And we have the name of the slave. Her name is Fortunata.
So the next time you're walking around London, think about where you're walking. Underneath your feet could be something more than 2,000 years of rubbish. It could be 2,000 years of priceless rubbish. Scott Rensberger, BBC London News.